Hi, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to this Logically Fund Screener training module. My name is Andrew Unthank, and I'm a member of the sales team at Logically. In this module, we'll be going over how to use our fund screener and how the screener can help easily provide investment insights to you and your clients. Our fund screener is an extremely powerful tool that allows users to explore over 12,000 global ETFs and over 50,000 US and Canadian mutual funds. Our screener allows users to filter down to whatever specific group of securities they may be looking for across any landscape. The easiest way to get to our screener from our homepage is either to click Fund Screener at the top here, under Market Analytics, or to be able to go right up here to the upper left-hand corner, hamburger dropdown, and select it right here. Once selected, you'll be taken to a dashboard that is preset to ETFs for you, with the green preset filters that you have the ability to change, and also views that you see up here that you have the ability to expand upon and customize. The views are groupings of different qualitative and quantitative metrics that we've put together for you so that you can easily see, from overview information to return information to even flow information, all of which you have the ability to hit Excel and export to Excel right here. Now, as I mentioned, you have the ability to custom view and save that down by coming over to our custom view editor and selecting from any of the options available that you have on the left, saving that down and being able to use it again at your leisure. Now, from this initial 12,000 funds that we see here that are ETFs, so security category, and I want to be able to filter that down to a specific group, let's say mid-cap equity ETFs that are traded in the US. How would I do that? I want to come on over right here to our quick filters tab, where I have the ability to look at general fund information, such as asset class, security category, even trading region. And as I mentioned, we wanted to look at US mid-cap equity ETFs. I might select United States, which takes our 12,000 funds down to 2,900. And now again, as I wanted to look at equities, hit the asset class, and that takes us down from 12,000 to just over 2,000. Now we're looking for mid-cap equities, ETFs traded in the US that have mid-cap exposure. So we want to go to classification, where we can again look at development level, fund focus, the sub focus of a fund, and we want the market cap exposure. So by selecting mid-cap, that takes us down from 2,000 to 143 funds that we show here. Extremely powerful to be able to filter that down from the initial 12,000 only to 143. Now, if we want to get even more specific and have a fund focus, we can do that right here and even have a fund sub focus to filter our search even more. So let's say, for our example, we want information technology, mid-cap equity ETFs traded in the US. I would select information technology from that 143, and it gives me 4 funds that it came up with out of the initial 12,000. Really helpful, really impactful, and really powerful to be able to show how our screener was able to take all the information and all the filters that we selected to give us the 4 funds across the information technology landscape that we were looking for. If this was something that was helpful to you and you would like to hear more, please don't hesitate to reach out to a member of the sales team at Logically. We can be reached at sales@etflogic.io, and that's sales@etflogic.io. And remember, please continue to think logically. Have a great day.